welcome back to my channel All Sorted, and in today's episode we are going to discuss the most important thing that you should do before an MBA. अभी एक महीना बच रहा है. This video is for everyone who is looking for reading quality material. Just if you are an MBA aspirant or if you have already converted a college, going to join a college soon in like 1 month or 2 months. The 3 things that I'm going to discuss in this video are going to help you immensely. It will give you an upper edge over others, because when you'll step into an MBA, you'll be amazed to know that people know so much more than you do know. So it's basically preparing you beforehand what's gonna come, and I'm going to mention only 3 sources here which will help you immensely throughout your career, whether you are an MBA aspirant or a person going to join the MBA. So if this is relevant to you, keep watching. When you'll enter an MBA, right after 3 months, your summer internship process will start. Okay, and when your MBA is a very diversified thing, it's not like engineering सब एक mindset से आ रहे हैं, 11th 12th engineering करके सब आ रहे हैं. There will be people from economics background. There will be people from a completely different background, computer sciences, electronics, mechanical, and there will be a lot of different mindsets, and there will be people who are very much better read than you. There will be people who are much smarter than you. आपको पता चलेगा. Right now you must be in a very happy mood कि यार मस्त कॉलेज में हो गया है, मेरा तो मस्त होने वाला है. But अभी actually बहुत लोग बोलेंगे real struggle start होगा when you go to an MBA. So this is not to scare you or anything. This is just to tell you that हाँ ऐसा होने वाला है. Right after you go to the MBA college, you will be overwhelmed by the knowledge people have. They'll talk certain things. You won't be even able to contribute. What ये साला बोल क्या रहे हैं ये लोग? That someone is talking about the economy, someone is talking about World War II, someone is talking about the repercussions of COVID-19 on the job, someone is talking about this, someone is talking about completely different things, gender bias. बहुत चीजें अलग-अलग लोगों को पता होती है. So I don't want you to miss out on those discussions. क्या होता है? I'll tell you what happens exactly. अगर हम किसी ग्रुप में जाते हैं जहाँ पे हमको क्लूलेस है, ये लोग बहुत बड़ी ऊपर लेवल की बातें कर रहे हैं. They are talking about what's gonna happen in the near future. They are talking about inflation. They are talking about the repo rate. They are talking about the RBI thing. They are talking about money. They are talking about finance. They are talking about mutual fund. Talking about stock markets. They are talking about the economy. They are talking about various other things. What's gonna be the effect? So they are talking about consulting. They are talking about this. MBA is all about your pure learning. And if you are not very well read, people will actually not entertain you in their groups. This is the hard fact. If you are a contributor to someone, they'll happily accept you. They'll happily want you to be a part of their group. If you are bringing someone, some discussion, some inputs to the table, to the conversations, people will be interested in you. So, क्या करें कि अपना knowledge बहुत बढ़ जाए, क्योंकि अभी तक you were just studying for the DILR, VARC and quant. You should have some other knowledge. If you're not a person who has read enough books, you're not a reader as such, so this is going to be a special video for you, because people who are very well read, people who are voracious readers, they have an upper advantage anyway. So if you are a voracious reader, that's going to help you immensely. So reading books is my number 1 suggestion. It's never going to go out of fashion. Alright, without wasting any further time, I'll talk about the first app that you need to download. Everyone needs to download. Just imagine for a second that you have quality content delivered to you every day. You get to hear from TED Talks, you get to hear from Bloomberg Quint, you get to hear from Plant Money, you get to hear from about how to make money, you get to know about the business case discussions, you get to know about the latest startup discussions, you get to know about the newspaper, the economist discussions, you get to know about research that's going to happen or that's happening in the Harvard business schools. Get to hear people who are leaders, who are CEOs, CXO levels. They're directly talking, and you're able to hear that their insight, startup stories. So just imagine everything coming on a single platform. Yes, you heard me right. Everything coming on a single platform. You don't have to necessarily watch it. You just have to plug your earphones and just you're commuting, you're going anywhere, you're done. Yes, I'm talking about podcasts. So here I am talking about which podcast, not a particular podcast. You don't need to join this podcast, that podcast. So apps आपको download नहीं करने भाई. I am going to just share you one app. That app is called Google Podcast. Yes. Download the Google Podcast. See this. I am going to mention ऐसे ये steps है आपको Play Store में Google.
सो हेलो गाइस, यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ गूगल पॉडकास्ट के बारे में. जस्ट गो टू द प्ले स्टोर एंड डाउनलोड दिस गूगल पॉडकास्ट ऐप एंड आपको ये सारे ऑप्शंस जैसे होम पेज पे ऐप सब्सक्राइब टू ऑल दीज ऑल दीज चैनल्स इन गूगल पॉडकास्ट. द ब्यूटी इज ऑल एट वन प्लेस. You can see from startups to whatever is your interest, you can subscribe to that, from self-help to COVID updates to Bloomberg Quint and whatnot. I'll just show you Economist, there's mindfulness, there's something about Freakonomics, TEDx Talks Daily, BBC News, everything. And in at the ऊपर आप देख सकते हो there are different categories. Okay, जैसे for news है, there's a culture है, there's education. So you can subscribe to any podcast that you like by clicking that plus sign. There's Harvard Business Review. There's a lot of new things that you can actually do, and it's going to blow your mind. इतने सारे options है, BBC News है. So what happens is you can actually go to that subscribe and get all notifications also, so that when you go to the home app you'll get all the notifications too. And similarly you can subscribe to all other things. You can go to the other sections like culture, go to the other sections like education. So likewise you'll find the podcast for each of the categories like TEDx Talk Daily. I mean, there's no limit to it. This is one of the finest the apps I've seen, and the learning that you'll get from it is immense. So I've made a morning routine to go through this each and every day. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get ahead. I think it's fairly very self-explanatory, very simple UI, technology wala. So let's scrap it now.
हाँ, तो आप गूगल पॉडकास्ट डाउनलोड कर लिया. ट्रस्ट मी, इट गोना चेंज योर लाइफ. आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, आप कुछ कर रहे हो सुबह, जस्ट आपने शुरू कर दिया साइड में, आपको ब्लूमबर्ग क्विंट के डेली न्यूज अपडेट्स मिल रहा है, आपको कोरोना वायरस के अपडेट्स फ्रॉम द बेस्ट न्यूज स्पीकर्स मिल रहे हैं, द लीडर्स आर टॉकिंग टू यू, HBR के आपको लेटेस्ट चीज रिसर्च मिल रही है, एवरीथिंग. तो गूगल पॉडकास्ट ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो यार, बहुत ज्यादा मदद करने वाला है, फ्री में ले लो. द सेकंड ऐप ऑन माय लिस्ट इज Deloitte Insights. Yes, you heard me right. Deloitte Insights is a free application by Deloitte. आपको जस्ट बोल देता हूँ एक्चुअल में है क्या. It's a destination for the thought leadership of around 250,000 people globally. So around 250,000 people globally who are at senior levels, leadership levels, they write their insights on Deloitte, and these Deloitte Insights, actually there is one news article or some research article, there is in-depth reports, there are videos, podcasts, again there are research insights almost daily. तो फायदा क्या होगा when you go to the summer internship interviews, you will have figures, आपकी पूरी भाषा चेंज हो जाएगी, the way you speak will be different altogether. So what goes inside your brain, what you keep listening every day, similarly you will start speaking the same language. So आप Deloitte Insights सुन रहे हो, आप leaders को सुन रहे हो, आप CXO CEOs को सुन रहे हो, the same language will flow. And don't you think that will be an advantage in your interviews? Of course. I'll just give you an example. आप contrast देखो. एक बंदा है, उसको पूछा है इंटरव्यू में, what do you think is the effect of coronavirus on the economy? Suppose summer internship का इंटरव्यू है. What was the effect of coronavirus on the economy of India and what did it do to tackle it? पहला बंदा है जिसने कुछ सुना नहीं है, कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है, रिसर्च आर्टिकल सुना नहीं है, Deloitte Insights नहीं है, गूगल पॉडकास्ट कुछ नहीं सुना है. How will he speak? Yes sir, coronavirus had a very drastic effect on the Indian economy. It was one of the worst effects since 2008, and the sectors, many sectors were down sir, and I think and many of the sectors were down, the economy was going down, there was recession already, so many of the people lost their jobs, and sir that's why it was the worst kind of pandemic India could experience. This is the answer from the first person. Now flip. Second person who has read Google Podcast, who has read the leaders, who has read the research reports from Deloitte, McKinsey, from Google Podcast, वो कैसा बोलेगा, ठीक है? Yes, sir, the pandemic was unfortunate. The pandemic actually was the greatest after the Great Depression. The GDP fell down by 3-4% almost every month, and the oil rates had gone down. Especially the hospitality, the travel sector was hit, and almost 2 million people lost their. Yes, the WHO had said that this is the worst kind of recession after 2008, and the housing bubble had caused a lot of trouble. Ministry of Home Affairs by the Ministry of Finance they had introduced a budget of around almost 20 lakhs for recovering the economy. The RBI had done this. They had decreased the repo rate. So I hope you are getting the point. The second banda जो बोल रहा है, I'm not sure about the data they were speaking, but do you understand? You get the difference between the first and the second response. The second response is the person will be getting selected is the second person in the interview. आप मानते हो, जानते हो, सही लग रहा है सुनने में? क्या डिफरेंस है? पहला बंदा वेरी जनरलाइज्ड आंसर दे रहा है, सेकंड पर्सन इज गिविंग अ डिटेल्ड आंसर, an answer which is coming from insights, an answer which has factual data, an answer which has analysis. और वो उसने खुद नहीं किया है. We are not reinventing the wheel. He has just read quality articles. He had listened to quality podcasts. He has listened to Google Podcasts. He has listened to Bloomberg News. He has listened to the world leaders talking about the coronavirus impact. He has listened to the HRs who are talking about what measures they are taking to for boosting their employees' morale. So a lot of factors. These are whatever the input is in, same as the input out. Whatever comes in, same out. Okay, what you think you become. So this was a famous quote by Buddha. So all I'm saying is यार कर लो, ये आपको इतना काम में आएगा ना. अगर मुझे पता होता तो मैं पक्का कर लेता. मुझे ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में इसके बारे में पता चला, बट नॉट टू वरी. तो आप ऑलमोस्ट जाने के हो. इवन इफ यू आर एन MBA एस्पिरेंट, आप अभी से स्टार्ट कर दो भाई, अलग ही लेवल का आपका नॉलेज बढ़ जाएगा. सो थर्ड ऐप ऑन माई लिस्ट इज गाइस McKinsey Insights. So McKinsey क्या है, Deloitte क्या है? Deloitte is in the big 4 organizations. McKinsey is the top 3 consulting organizations. McKinsey, Bain, BCG. ये आपको terms पता चलेंगे once you get into the MBA thing. Basically top 20 schools में McKinsey, Bain, BCG जाता है. IIMs में वगैरह Excel आ रहा है. Firms are your Deloitte, Ernst & Young, KPMG, PwC. So these are the big 4. And the top 3 are McKinsey, Bain, BCG. These are consulting firms. Difference क्या है top 3 और big 4 में? Top 3 are basically more generalized. They work on the strategy. Client के पास जाते हैं. They work with the CEO level, C-suite levels. And the big 4 basically work on the execution part. उनके थोड़ा सा stint ज़्यादा होता है. They work on around 6 to 12 months with the clients. And they work on specialized projects. There's HR consulting in Deloitte also. And so they work in special niche areas. They work with the mid-level management. They do not work with the C-suite levels like the top 3 consulting firms do. Top 3 consulting firms और एक difference है McKinsey, Bain, BCG. Their employee strength is almost 1/10 of the strength of the top your big 4. So जैसे McKinsey has 27,000 employees, BCG has 20,000, Bain has 8,000 employees, and Deloitte, EY, KPMG, PwC has almost 2 lakh employees on an average in each of the 4 organizations. So मुद्दा क्या है बोलने का भाई, McKinsey के अगर insights मिल रहे हैं similarly as Deloitte के insights आपको मिल रहा है. Deloitte is a big four organization. top 3 में McKinsey आता है. दोनों को क्लब कर दो, दोनों ऐप्स डाउनलोड कर लो, ये भी फ्री है. McKinsey Insights आपको कोई बोलेगा नहीं, बट आई जस्ट टेल यू, ये है McKinsey Insights का ऐप. इसको कर लो डाउनलोड Google Play Store से. And similar to Deloitte, it works beautifully. Your mind will be blown. Your insights will be humongous. You'll be able to talk like this in your interviews. Everyone will be impressed by your language you use, because whatever comes in goes out. Remember this, ठीक है? You can thank me later for downloading these 3 apps, because that's gonna prove very beneficial to you. That's gonna help you and so I request you to download all 3 apps. And if this video has helped you, please like it, guys. Please share it to other people because I want to spread this awareness. अगर ये आपने अभी से आदत लगा दी तो you'll grow by leaps and bounds. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा 3-4 months down the line because habits make it you. So ये habit डाल दो यार, 3 apps regularly use करो, ठीक है? Apart from the newspapers, although please regularly visit these 3 apps. Google Podcast तो आदत लगा लो, रोज 1 घंटा आधा घंटा सुबह सुन सकते हो. You don't need to watch it. So it's a awesome thing. Alright guys, so this was the video and I hope it helped you. Please like करो और share करो, subscribe करो, hit that all notifications thing so that you don't miss out on such things. I'm gonna make continuously videos right now because I'm right now free after my summer internship and I have got a lot of time. So please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye. All sorted.